As an RSU student, you're eligible for discount on public transportation in Riga. If you have a Latvian ID, go to Transportation Subsidy in the My RSU portal. Tick the box to send your data to Rīgas Satiksme. You will receive a confirmation in your RSU email. Then you can head to Rīgas Satiksme ticket machine to activate your discount using your e-Talents card. If you don't have a Latvian ID, submit the status inquiry in the My RSU portal. Set the receiver to Rīgas Satiksme and choose Latvian as the language. When you receive an email from Student Services, please forward it to Rīgas Satiksme along with your contact information. Then visit any of the Rīgas Satiksme client centers and present your student card. You can find Rīgas Satiksme customer service centers at Rīgas Street, Rīgas Street, or the Central Station. If you wish to use your phone instead of a physical card for transportation, a code ticket is a method of payment for Rīgas Satiksme public transport, which allows you to make payments for trips using a smartphone. The code ticket can be purchased on several apps. Although the procedure for buying a ticket may vary between apps, registering it for use on a public transport is the same for all apps. Mobili is one of the most popular apps for code tickets. You can also use it to pay for parking, train rides, and intercity buses. Please note that your student discount does not apply to apps. For further assistance, you can visit any Rīgas Satiksme customer service center, such as those located on Rīgas Street, Rīgas Street, or the Central Station.